Hello, good morning to all my dear students. In previous class, we have completed two chapters of your science syllabus. First one is matter in our surrounding, and second one is matter around the sphere. So, students, chemistry के दो chapters हम लोगों ने complete कर लिए. This is the third chapter of your science syllabus. This is atoms and molecules. Okay. So first of all we have discussed about what is the content of this chapter. Means इस chapter में हम लोग के लिए क्या स्टडी करना है. So in this chapter study about atoms and molecules. Okay. So first of all about atoms and how to form atoms and what is element. Second one is symbol and atomic mass. And second category is law of chemical combination. There are two laws in your book, in your syllabus: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. And third one is Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory is the most important topic for your exam point of view. And third category is molecules, and molecules of element and molecules of compound. Now next one is ions. There are two kind of ions, positive ions or negative ions. Next one is molecular mass and atomicity. Okay. And last one is mole concept. This is the main concept for a competition exam. This is mole and molar mass and Avogadro number. And some numerical problems based on formula, molecular mass, how to find molecular mass and atomic mass. Okay, student. So this is the content of this chapter. So we have start one by one. Okay. So student, first of all we introduce about atoms. Okay. So student, write the definition of atom. Atom is the smallest part of element. Atom is the smallest part of the element which can take part in chemical reaction. Atom is the smallest unit of element. That means एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ एलिमेंट. एलिमेंट की सबसे छोटी यूनिट होती है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एटम्स. एंड विच कैन टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन, जो केमिकल रिएक्शन में पार्ट लेते हैं. सेकंड वन एट द हेडिंग ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एटम्स. First one is atoms are building block of matter. जो एटम्स होते हैं वो मैटर के बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं. एटम से मिलके ही मैटर बनते हैं. They are very small in size. About what is the size of atom? 10 is to power minus 12 meter. Okay. Radius of atom is measured in nanometer. जो इसकी रेडियस होती है वो नैनोमीटर में मेजर की जाती है. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट इज एलिमेंट. स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज एलिमेंट? एलिमेंट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. दीज पार्टिकल्स आर नोन एज एटम्स. ओके. छोटे छोटे एटम्स मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? एलिमेंट. These particles are known as atom. Element is a substance that cannot be broken down into similar component by any chemical reaction. जो elements होते हैं वो small particles से मिलकर बने होते हैं, जिनको हम atoms बोलते हैं. और elements it cannot be broken down any chemical reaction. जो elements होते हैं उनको किसी भी chemical reaction के थ्रू उसको ब्रेक नहीं किया जा सकता है या ब्रेक नहीं किया जा सकता है. ओके. सो नाउ symbols. How many elements in chemistry. So total number of elements in chemistry is 118. This is 118. Okay. It is categorized into 3 fields. Okay, metals, non-metal, and metalloids. Okay. So what is symbols? Write the definition of symbols. Symbols is an abbreviation used to represent an element. Okay, एलिमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए एब्रिविएशन दिए जाते हैं, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सिंबल्स. जनरली द सिंबल्स ऑफ एलिमेंट स्टार्ट विद इंग्लिश कैपिटल लेटर्स. जो एलिमेंट्स के सिंबल होते हैं उनको इंग्लिश के कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट किया जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो राइट ड्रॉ दिस टेबल in your copy. First one is element name, symbols, atomic number and atomic mass. Okay, first one is hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? Capital H. Atomic number is 1. Atomic mass is 1. Helium, this is capital H, small e, 2. And atomic mass is 4. Lithium 3, this is 7. Beryllium 4, 9. Carbon 5, sorry, boron B 5, 10. Carbon C 6, 12. Nitrogen capital N 7, 40. Oxygen O 8, 60. Fluorine capital F 9, 90. Neon 10 and 20. So students, आपके लिए 1 से लेकर 30 तक के एटॉमिक नंबर्स का टेबल बनाना है. Okay, so first one is hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is a symbol is capital H. What is the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass is 1. Helium, this is He, atomic number is 2 and atomic mass is 4. So students, you have to write about first to 30. Okay, so now next is law of chemical combination. This is most important topic. Law of chemical combination. So students, write about law of chemical combination. In 17th century, the scientists trying to find out the method for converting one substance into another. During study of chemical change, they made to law chemical combination. Okay, 17th century में जो साइंटिस्ट होते थे उन्होंने एक सब्सटेंस को दूसरे सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कुछ मेथड्स अप्लाई किया, जिनको उन्होंने रूल्स बोल दिए, जिनको लॉ बोल दिए. तो ऐसे 2 rules, there are 2 rules of chemical combination. First one is law of conservation of mass and second one is law of constant proportion. Okay, so student, what is law of conservation of mass? So student, write the definition of law of conservation of mass. In 1744, first law conservation of mass. First one is, again, in 1744, the French chemist Lavoisier provides the relation between the mass of reactant and the product. During the chemical reaction, this reaction is known as law of conservation of mass. तो 1744 में जो फ्रेंच केमिस्ट थे लावोजियर, उन्होंने मास ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एंड मास ऑफ प्रोडक्ट के बीच में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट किया। इस रिलेशन को लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास कहते हैं। दिस लॉ स्टेट दैट ड्यूरिंग एनी केमिकल रिएक्शन द टोटल मास ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू द टोटल मास ऑफ रिएक्टेंट। In this law, Lavoisier stated that the total mass of product is equal to the sum of total number of reactant mass. Okay, that means R1 plus R2 equal to product. Okay, mass of reactant first plus mass of reactant 2 is equal to total number of mass of product. For example, this is reactant R1 plus R2. What is sodium? What is the atomic mass of sodium? That is 23 gram, and chlorine is 35.5. What is the total mass? 58.5 grams. So Lavoisier stated that the total number of mass of product is equal to the total number of sum of total number of mass of reactant. Okay, that means mass ना केवल कम होता है ना ज्यादा होता है वो किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन। Now next second one is law of constant proportion. In 1799, Sir J. Proust the law of constant proportion discovered. 1799 में सर जे प्राउस्ट एक केमिस्ट थे, उन्होंने इस रूल को दिया था और उन्होंने बोला था दिस लॉ स्टेट दैट in a chemical compound is always made up of the same element combined together in a fixed proportion by mass. That means किसी भी chemical compound एक जैसे या same element same proportion में उसको क्या किया जाता है, mix किया जाता है। For example, water H2O. That means what is number of hydrogen is 2. Okay, number of oxygen is 1. What is the atomic mass of atomic number is 8. Okay, atomic mass is 16. So this is 2 ratio 16. That means 1 ratio 8. What is the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen in water? This is 1 ratio 8. Number of hydrogen is 1 and number of oxygen is 8. To make together make hydrogen dioxide. Okay, that means water. Okay.